Okay. Are you ready, Daddy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Mine's not as clear as yours.
Hello, my name is not Kitty. It's nice to meet you all. Hey, are these two my friends? No? Okay. Hey, hello, Soft Kitty.
Hold on a second.
No, keep going.
Okay.
Hi, Soft Kitty and Sarah.
You want to play at the park? Yes, I want to, Soft Kitty. Let's go to the park. Let's go down this slide. Whee!
Woo.
Let's like it. Whee! Let's go. Hey, let's go play on the swing. And whee! And hi, Rocket. Oh, yes. Let's go to the leaflet. Okay, Soft Kitty. And we went all the way back. And they ate lunch. Now, Sarah, what do we do next? Let's go play in your bedroom. Okay. Do.
do.
Okay. What do we play in your bedroom? I know. We could play Dress Duck. Open up this dress. Do. I can on this. And I'll play on this dress. There. Let me get out this. Uh-oh. Up here, Daddy. I can get his ball outside.
Really?
Yeah. Don't see me. I know. All I do.
Why?
Hi, Garrett. Ow. Okay. Ow. Again.
Oh,
All right. I guess the show's over.
show's over.
Wait.
Do the poo-poo.
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, Mommy. I
Goodbye.